To begin, enter your school or district's PowerSchool web address into a browser. Note that each school or district has a unique web address. Once you arrive at your PowerSchool page, click on the Create Account button. This brings up a page where you will enter the information needed to establish your new Parent Single Sign-On account. In the Create Parent/Guardian Account section, enter your first and last name, your email address, your desired username, and password. The email address and the username must be unique. Note also that your school may set a minimum number of characters required for a password. In general, it's a good idea to create a password that is at least 6 characters long, contains upper and lowercase letters, as well as numbers. Write down your new username and password, and store the note in a secure location until you have your login memorized. Next, in the Link Students to Account section, enter the student name, access ID, access password, and choose your relationship to the student from the drop-down for each student that you wish to add to your account. You must enter the information for at least one student in order to create your Parent Single Sign-On account. If you do not have the access ID or access password for your students, contact your school for assistance. Note that in the Relationship drop-down menu, there are many relationship types to choose from. Choose the relationship type that most accurately reflects your biological or legal relationship with the student. You can enter access information for up to 7 students when establishing your Parent Single Sign-On account. If you have more than 7 students to add to your account, you will have an opportunity to add additional students after you've first created your account. Once you've entered all of your information, click the Enter button. If the information you've entered is valid, you will be taken back to the login screen. If any of the information you've entered is not valid, you will see a message that notifies you what information needs to be changed. This can occur if you have already created an account with that same email address. If this happens, retrieve your login information by navigating back to the Parent Portal main page and clicking on the Having Trouble Logging In link. Here you will see instructions for recovering your username and password. If the username you choose already exists for another account, you will see a message that notifies you that this name is in use and not available. You can choose one of the suggested usernames, or you can enter another choice. Re-enter your passwords. Then click the Enter button. A message will display notifying you that your account has been created. You can now log into the PowerSchool Parent Portal using your new Parent Single Sign-On account and see all of your various students' academic information. Once you have logged in, you will see buttons for each student that you have access to. Click on a button to view that student's information. You can manage your account preferences by clicking on the icon in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can change your username and password, email address, and if necessary, add additional students to link to your account. That's it for this tutorial. To learn more about PowerSchool and how we're powering performance, visit our website at pearsonschoolsystems.com.